Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find and copy your RedotPay UID or how you can get your RedotPay user ID. So first of all, you just have to launch your RedotPay application and then sign in into your account. Now, when you sign in, you are going to see this profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. So you just have to simply tap on it. Now, as soon as you tap on it, you are going to see your UID number, which will be underneath your email address. You can also tap on this particular option, and here you can clearly see your UID number. Now, in order to copy this, you just have to tap on it once and it is going to be copied, and it will say that you have successfully copied this particular UID to the dashboard. Now you can use this UID in order to send the money or in order to receive the money in your RedotPay account. So that's why this user ID is used. You can give it to someone else who also uses the RedotPay application, and then you can receive the money without any transaction fees with the help of this user ID. If you want to know how you can use the user ID, I have created a dedicated video on this topic as well. So you can check that out on the channel. Thanks for watching.